quiet. See the blade moving. Sounds really good. In feed on the table. In feed on the table right here. That works. You got clamps. Clamps should come in and out. Hold down. Hydraulic hold down.